Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. Ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Lost touch. Wanna do? I speak the truth.
Y'all, so I'm obviously finna style this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig. Shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their, it says Yaki 023. The texture is Yaki. The length is 10 inches. The hair color is a natural hair color. I have it in cap size 2, which is a circumference of 22.5 to 23. And if I'm not mistaken, they have the cap size 1, which is a smaller cap size. The cap construction of this unit is a 13x6 lace front wig, and it's 160% density. So those are all the details and specs on this unit that was sent to me from the company. Now, as far as it being As far as tangling and shedding, honestly, I did not receive any of that straight out of the packaging. I do also want to mention that this unit does have those 4C edges. I did kind of go over them a little bit with the hot comb prior to putting the unit on, but you guys can still see it, and it makes it look way more natural. So I didn't have to bleach this unit whatsoever, and I didn't have to tweeze it. Like, guys, literally what you see is what you get, honey. Oh, girl woke up like this. And in my opinion, this is a super glueless type of wig. You guys know I struggle with glueless wigs because of my ears and whatever. They never lay right on the sides. But I think if you don't have this ear problem or head problem, whatever problem I have, you could definitely make this glueless unit, and it's super beginner friendly. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not received any straight out of the packaging. That's not to say old girl won't at some point. It's just that straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things, okay? Also, as far as it being big head friendly, I would say that this cap size that I have on is more medium to large head friendly. And if you have a smaller cap size, I would recommend getting the size 1. So, but I only got the head that's on my shoulder, so girl, take that with a grain of salt because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, so my con, you guys know I like to start with my cons because I like to end on a high note. The con with this unit is gonna be like the same one that I kind of have for all the more luxury wigs. I feel like, yeah, granted it is 13 by 6 because honey, I can part it all the way here, but on the sides you don't really have that much parting space, okay? So you guys can see when I like flip the unit over how much parting space you actually have. So that is gonna be my con with this unit. Now, honey, my pros is endless, girl. Okay, I love this texture. I love the 4C hairline, and I think it gives that like super natural look. Like, I feel like this bob looks like my hair. Okay, it could be me, I could be tripping, but I do feel like it looks like my hair, and I really think that is mostly because of the 4C edges. I really love that. I love that I did not have to bleach this unit whatsoever. And I love that it's super beginner friendly. So yes, those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would recommend it. I think it's a great everyday unit, and it has those natural edges, so it gives it a way more natural sort of appearance. So yes, I personally would recommend this unit. I really don't have many cons with it whatsoever. So yes, that is why I would recommend this wig. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I am. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to all of the details and specs down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty with IG and TikTok. I'm Help to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love folks next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style.